get back to it, man.
Hey, savor this. Y'all may never get this again.
Yeah.
This sucks.
What?
Let's go, Colleen. Let's go, honey.
I would love this.
It's only girl. You got it, Kylie. Only girl. You got it.
All right, watch your ears. All right, here we go. On your mark. Come to the line.
Let's go, Colleen.
Come on, Kylie.
Oh, yeah, she's sticking with the girl.
That's the same one you've been using.
Yeah, 22 is allowed. Yeah. Seven to go, gentlemen. 7 to go. 7 to go. 7. 7 to go. 7 to go. Shoot, we got my umbrella.
Just a little rain.
I know. I just have a long drive home. And I want to be drenched.
Just turn on the heat. It'll dry you off.
I'm in Louisville. Yeah. So it's about 40 minutes. It ain't bad, but it will be bad wet. I don't see any 4x4s. Oh, perfect. What I'm talking about. You got to enter with the 4x4.
Good job, Elijah. Keep it up.
6 to go. 6 to go. 6 to go. 6. 6. 6 to go. 6 to go.
Good job, Hunter.
First call for girls 4x400 meter relay.
Good job, Kylie.
First call for boys 4x400 meter relay. Again, that's first call for girls and boys 4x400 meter relay.
Gotta be 10:30 tonight. 405, 406.
5 to go.
Good job, Elijah.
5. 5 to go. 5.
Make it hurt.
Five to go. 5 to go.
Good job, Hunter.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Good job, Kylene.
5 to go.
5 to go. You got it.
5 to go. 5 to go.
Yeah, she's the only girl. Thank you.
4 to go. 4 to go. 4.
Good job, Elijah.
County trainer for Henry County. You good?
4 to go. 4 to go. 4 to go. Four to go. 4 to go. 4 to go.
Good job.
Yeah, I believe so. I thought so too. 4 to go. 4 to go. I will. Yes, sir.
Good job, Hunter. Good job, Kylene.
4 to go, guys. 4 to go.
This tablet got soaked. I was like, uh-oh.
It came down there. 3 to go. 3 to go.
124. Flip it up. Rock your shoulders.
Good job, Elijah.
3 to go.
7-12, Jeremiah. 7-13.
3 to go. 3 to go. 3 to go.
Is that the leader or no?
No.
Leader's one of the
Leaders at the 100-meter mark right now. 3 to go. 3 to go.
Looking good. Come on.
Make your move and go
3
get
to
the guy on
go.
the green.
3 to go.
Girls and boys, 4x400 meter race.
2 to go. 2 to go.
Second call for girls and boys, 4x400 meter relay.
Good job, Elijah.
Good job, Elijah.
2 to go.
Start reeling him in, Elijah.
2 to go. Two to go. This is my leader. Two to go.
Come on.
1,
Push,
2.
man. Go get both of them, Colleen.
You need to go around it because he's got it open right now because of the finishers.
Last call for boys triple jump. Last call for boys triple jump.
Might want to go get him.
No circulation.
Another big dog. 467. 467. Yes. Correct. One to go. One to go. Yeah, let me get these numbers and I'll get you. Alright, sounds good. We still gotta wait on the whole thing. 495. 495. Good job, Elijah. You know what time that was? You know what time on that? One to go. One more. One to go. One to go. Colin, take off. Go get both of them.
Everyone should be finishing now. Yeah, everybody should be finishing now.
Go, Jeremiah.
Yes, sir.
You know what time they're at?
Well, I started mine before he did the gun.
Now we got one more event.
I know. I'm here all night, man. You push hard.
Carter. It's only 8:30 too. Carter. They're both headed over. We'd be out here by 9:30.
Yeah. Yes, sir, he did.
Yeah, it's been a great meeting.
It was just spring break, man. I would have brought my team if we were in spring break.
You almost be all right. I'd be on
4-4-2.
I'd be on 4-5. No.
Same thing last year, too.
Good job. We both made good.
Did you lap them?
Start seeing off. Good
job, Hunter! Good job, Hunter. Good job, bro.
Good job, Hunter.
4-9-1. 4-9-1.
Good job, Colin.
And the beast. He killed it. 150. Good job, young man.